Hi, this is Rahul again. Today I'll be teaching you how to create your Diwali greeting card using mud shape option. In my previous video, I explained you how to use mud shapes. Today I am going to show you how to utilize those techniques to create Diwali greeting card. This is the perfect time for Diwali greeting card. So let's start. First step, set the page size and orientation. Go to Designs tab and then click on Slide Size. Custom slide size, we need A4 size paper and portrait. OK, ensure fit. Next step, enable the grid lines and guides. Go to View tab and then enable grid lines and guides. Third step, format the background. Go to Format, we need a gradient fill. This is the design which I liked. You can create your own designs. Next step, insert a circle. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, Circle and hold Ctrl and Shift and then drag it. You can adjust according to you. Now give it a solid fill to yellow and the outline will be white, and I will increase the width of the outline. Now it's looking good. And now I will insert a partial circle. Go to Insert tab and then Shapes, Partial Circle. Hold Ctrl and Shift and then drag it. Now you can zoom it little bit and hold this orange dot for making it quarter of circle. Yeah. Now just insert oval shape and make it change the color of it to some other color and remove the outline. No outline. For this also no outline. Now make it transparent so that we can see easily. Turn it little bit. Yeah. And now copy and paste the layers of the lamp. Yeah. Now zoom out little bit and now select the all the layers, and now we will go to Format, Merge Shapes and then Fragment. Now just delete the unnecessary fragments which are not required and keep the fragments which are required. So these are unnecessary, and now we'll delete this one also. Change the color. I will give this block to gradient fill, and the second layer I will give white color, whole white, and then this I will give a gradient fill of green color, so it will look pretty. So green and this two light green. Yeah, now it's looking nice. Now copy these three layers of the lamp and copy, Ctrl C, and then go to paste it again and then rotate this. Go to Format and rotate, flip horizontal, and now you can arrange this layers. And now insert a eye drop. Go to Insert Shapes and then insert a eye drop and rotate it. Yeah, now it's in center. Now you can increase the height of the lamp, this eye drop, by stretching the height. Make this second little bit more smaller and downwards. Yeah, and then copy again, and we will make third layer from this. Decrease the size of this, change its color to some other. Now we will change the color of this to yellow and this to gradient or pink. It's okay. And now we will copy the lamp and then make group it. Copy this lamp properly and then group the lamp. Now it's a single. Now you can copy and paste it, and now hold Ctrl Shift and then make it smaller, and now copy this and again paste it, and now select this middle lamp and its front of others, and you can adjust them. Now decrease the size, zoom, and now we can add some text here. Insert a text box, click on text box and insert it. Write Happy Diwali and increase the size of the text and make it bold, and you can select any type of font which you prefer or you like it. I will choose some cursive type of font. This is okay. Increase the size and change the font color. I will change it to yellow. Yeah, it will look nice. And now we can add some icons. Go to insert tab and then icons, click on it, and now we will search for fire, and now we can insert this all crackers and click on insert. This three shapes will be inserted. First change no, oh, make it to yellow and no outline, and then we can just arrange them anywhere we want. And copy this and paste again, and then here again control control E, and then it's smaller, and here you can again add some your name also you can add. So I will add my name here by Rahul Jangir, and you can align the text in center. That's all, and now you can see how our presentation is looking. That's all. Thank you everyone.